data structures and algorithms using C. During this session, we are going to deal with or implement the evaluation of postfix expression. We programmed that using C. In the past session, we have gone through the algorithm, how we are going to use the stack to evaluate a given postfix expression. This time we will go through the C code. As you are aware here, these are the header files, and here we declare a constant, and here we have a new data type stack. So we have a type def stack type. Top will tell you how many operands are present on the stack, which is represented by operand size. This is the array which will store all the numbers or operands coming from the postfix expression. Then we create a new data variable called S of the type stack. And these are the user-defined functions. These are related, as you are aware, to the stack, and here we have two functions. So functions are programs which are used for converting or for evaluating a postfix expression. So I use this one, Eval PostFix, where I send postfix array as the parameter. It evaluates that and returns the value. Process is the function which processes. It takes in the operator, parameter, operator, plus, minus, etc., and does the appropriate processing and pushes that value onto the stack. So let us see what it is. So we come to the main. So we have these two variables, postfix array, and then is the title of the program. I initialize the stack, that is top has to be initialized to 0. That is done in this. Then we get the postfix expression, type in, and then call this function eval postfix by sending that postfix as the parameter. It evaluates this postfix expression and assigns that value to a variable called result, and here we print the result of that postfix expression. So let us come to the individual functions. These are related, you are already familiar with. Push is to push a number onto the stack as it is done. So if it is stack is not full, then you increment the value of top and then assign number to that location. Whereas pop is going to remove or pop the number from the stack. So first we check whether it is empty. If it is not empty, then I remove a number from the array here of the stack, which is at the top, and you decrement the value of top. Because I have removed that number, then I decrement the value of top. Then I return that number. So these two functions. We come to the process function, which takes in operator at the parameter and it pops two numbers, 2 here and 1 here, and we use the switch statement. If it is plus, you find the sum. If it is minus, you find the deduct into number 2 from 1, and if it is multiplication, multiply these two numbers. If it is power, you use this power function which is declared in string.h, map.h, and you raise this power of the number one to this power. And if it is divide, first you check whether it is division by 0. If it is not, then you calculate number 1 divided by 2, and then otherwise you give a message that divide by 0 error, and you push the result onto the stack. That is what is done by this function process. Now we come to the important function eval postfix, where we send postfix as the parameter. It returns the value after evaluating this postfix. So these are the variables. So I start scanning that postfix expression. So I So as long as it is not, we have not reached the end of the postfix expression, what do? I get ch every time, and if check whether it is a number greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 9, and then convert. This is the ASCII code it has got. I have to convert that into number. So I say number is ch minus 0 automatic, and then push that number onto the stack. And in case ch is one of these operators, I am using this function strchr, which is declared in string.h, and if it is one of these, then immediately I call this function process. So what it does, as we have seen already, it pops two numbers from the stack, does the operation, pushes back the result onto the stack. And if we have come to the, as you see, if you have come to the end of the postfix expression, what we do is you pop the ultimate result value from the stack and put it onto result, or assign it to result, and return that value. So this function eval postfix takes the parameter postfix expression, it evaluates that and returns the result in the main program. And here I've got one postfix expression here, and as you see here, 8 and 7 here, they added 15, and then 2 goes onto the stack, and this is number. So it is power, therefore it finds 15 square and pushes 225 onto the stack. Again you come to 7 and 2 here, and then deducts 2 from 7, 5, and it goes onto the stack. You have got 225 and 5 on top, and then you come to divided by, so it divides 225 by 5 and you get the value 45, and this is the result of this postfix expression. Thank you.